So from LA to Dublin. Wow. Now we're really jet setting. This is going to be awesome. We're here for the Dublin Schoolism workshop. So the workshops are done and we had a great meal, and right now it's like crazy early in the morning. So where are we going again?
The ocean.
Oh, that's
the
right.
Ocean adventure.
Yes.
So here we are at the cliffside, waiting for the sunrise. Amazing. We literally passed this whole part in the dark. You can kind of feel.
I felt like it was dangerous, but I didn't know.
Worth it.
So we made it. Look at that sunrise. Ah! Thank you so much, Dublin. It's been so awesome. Can't wait to come back.